Good evening, good evening. Good evening. Good evening to all. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Fine, fine. Good evening. Good evening to all. Mahaganadhipataye. Yeah, today I told you it's an important class. Today I am going to explain you finding the solutions for a linear equation in two variables. Finding the solutions for a linear equation in two variables. See, generally we need to think actually for any linear equation in two variables, how many solutions it has? అసలు లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ టూ వేరియబుల్కి ఎన్ని సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉంటాయి దాని గురించి ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి. బిఫోర్ దట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యు a situation and you have to tell the mathematical form of that situation. Means you need to form an equation for that situation. There are two students in the class. One is Tejan, the other one is Nation, Akshay Nation. The two students are kind-hearted. They are very good at studies and moreover they are kind-hearted. But good evening, Ravi. One day what happened? They got to know about there was an incident what happened in India, an earthquake. There are so many victims and all over the country people are helping them by sending clothes, food material, medical materials, and some are donating money and all this. So these two also wanted to donate something to help the victims of the earthquake. So what they have done, they discuss within themselves and they come to a conclusion that together they can send 1500 rupees for the Prime Minister Relief Fund. So whenever the situations happens like this, Prime Minister will call up for the funds throughout India and will give a number, account number to send the funds across India. So people who wants to help, they will send the money to that account number so that the Prime Minister can help them, help the victims of either earthquake or floods, whatever it may be. So Tejal and Exination, they wanted to contribute 1500 rupees together to the Prime Minister Relief Fund. So we don't know how much Tejal gave and we don't know how much Akshay Nation gave, but together they gave 1500 rupees. Okay na? So they transfer the account, transfer the rupees 1500 to the account of Prime Minister Relief Fund. This was the situation. Now you need to tell me a mathematical form of this situation. Means you need to represent the situation in the form of a mathematical equation. Right. Akshay Nation already gave the answer. Y plus x is equal to 1500. Tejal also gave. Y plus x plus y 1500. Sahasra. X plus y 1500. Bhavya, Pranati, Darsh, Akila, Lohit, Sujay, Hirawat, Vaishali. There are many people who are not responding. Shauryesh, yeah. How many are there in the class? Mohammad Hamza, Sharan. Okay, Sragvi, good. Yeah. Here x and y. X is the contribution of Tejal and y is the contribution of Nation, because we don't know. We don't know how much is given by Tejal and how much is given by Nation. But together they send 1500 rupees. So x rupees from Tejal and y rupees from Akshay Nation. So x plus y is equal to 1500. X plus y is equal to 1500. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Only by 14 are there. Very good. Yesterday it was 26. Today only 14. I told them that today is very important day. Even then, the people are not turning out. Okay, leave them. Those who are not attending the class, leave them. And those who are attending, kindly listen to me carefully, because it is an important concept today, which is there in the class 9th as well as in class 10th also. Okay, children. Now, we need to think about the contributions. The contributions of Tejal and Nation. See, we can say Akshay gave 500, Tejal 1000. Is that right? One case maybe Akshay gave 500 and Tejal gave 1000. Is that right? Is this a clear situation? Atla ayundachu kada? Akshay the 500, Tejal 1000. There is one way. Can anyone say? One of you can say any other situations like that? 750, equal ga ichcharantaara. Okay. 750, right? This is maybe one more. This is maybe one more. Any other? Any other? 700, 800, correct? 600, 900, correct? My daughter told 600, 800.
9.
11, 14. 1100, 400. That is also right. 200, 1300. That is also right. 1400, 100. That is also right. 600, 900 done. 1400, 100 done. 1250, 250 correct. 1250, 250. 1300, 200. 1300, 200. 300, 1200 correct. 1110, 390 correct. Lohit Babu good. 800, 700 correct.
11.
Now children, you tell me how many values that we can say like this. How many values can we say like this? ఇలా ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ చెప్పగలం? Infinite. Yes, we can say infinite values, not 1500. We can say infinite. Even we can say negatives also. Negative 200, 1700. Negative 200, 1700. Akshay Nation gave 0. Tejal gave 1500. Akshay gave 1500. Tejal 0. Akshay gave only 1 rupee. Tejal 1400 for 99. Tejal gave 1 rupee. Akshay gave 1499. Like that, we can say infinite values like this. Okay. Now see. So here I can write like this: 500 comma 1000. Akshay gave 500, Tejal gave 1000. So 500 comma 1000, I can say that it is a solution for this equation, because when we substitute 500 in the place of x, 1000 in the place of y, we are getting 1500. So this x value, y value satisfying the equation. X value and y value both are satisfying the equation. X plus y is equal to 1500. So I can say that 500 comma 1000 is a solution for the given equation. Okay. Not only that, 750 comma 750, 700 comma 800, 600 comma 900, 1100 comma 400. These are all the solutions. These are all the solutions for the given equation. So ఇప్పుడు solutions అంటే మీకు అర్థమైపోయింది అనుకుంటా. So solutions అంటే ఏమిటి? X value, y value, which are satisfying the equation. Satisfying means when we substitute x value and y value in the equation, we need to get the value in LHS part. The value in LHS part should be equal to the value in RHS part. Then those two values are called a solution for the given equation. Okay na? So solution ante enti? The values for x and y, when we substitute them in the equation, the LHS part and RHS part should be equal. So like that, we can get infinite number of solutions for any linear equation in two variables. If x is 0, how can we say that x plus y is 1500? Only one person gave. Okay. 1500 whole. That is one of the solutions. That is your expectations. నువ్వు చెప్పలేవు కదా, ఏమో 0 అక్షయ్ 0 ఇచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు, తేజల్ y 1500 ఇచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు. That is one possibility. ఓకేనా? వీటిలో ఏదో ఒకటే కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన సొల్యూషన్స్ అన్నిటిలో ఏదో ఒకటే కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, అంతే కదా, ఎనీ వన్. సో దాంట్లో 0 1500 అనేది వన్ ఆఫ్ ది పాసిబిలిటీస్, అంతే, వన్ ఆఫ్ ది పాసిబుల్ సొల్యూషన్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ పాసిబుల్ సొల్యూషన్స్. వైశాలి, they are all possible solutions. Out of these possible solutions, infinite possible solutions, one may be correct. Okay na? What is that exact one అనేది we don't know, ante kada, unless Tejal and Akshay reveal it, we don't know what is the actual one. But they are not going to reveal it na. They are not going to reveal it. They are not going to say how much Akshay is given and how much Tejal is given. Unless వాళ్ళు చెప్పేంత వరకు ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ ఎవరు ఎంత ఇచ్చారో మనకు తెలియదు. బట్ వీ కెన్ సే ద పాసిబిలిటీస్. These are all possibilities. So how many possibilities we can write? Infinite number of possibilities we can write, and all those we can say it as solutions for the given equation. Understand? Okay na? You are late, Hemant. You are late today. So that much interest you are having towards studies. Don't say sorry to me. I don't want your sorry, Hemant. నీ సారీ నాకు ఎవరు రాలేదు, నాకు అక్కర్లేదు, ఎవరు వచ్చినా రాబోయినా నాకేం అక్కర్లేదు. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ యూ విల్ బి బెనిఫిటెడ్, అదర్వైజ్ నో. Yeah, I don't want anyone's sorries. It is my duty to explain you something. It is my duty as a teacher. Right. Now, see, there is an equation like this. X plus 2y is equal to 6. And I want to find out the solutions. At least 5 solutions for this equation. 5 solutions. Okay. And how to find out the solutions in an easy manner? In that x plus y is equal to 1500 kabatti, many of you are given answers in an easy manner. Just 100, 1400, 200, 1300, 600, 900, 700, 800, 0, 1500, like that. You gave solutions fastly. But if you see the situations like this, suppose this is the equation, for example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6, not x plus 2y. Okay. Now you see how to find out the solutions for equations of such. We need to see the values for, or we need to take the values for x and y and substitute in the equation, so that LHS part and RHS part must be equal. Is that right? Okay. So we need to think about x and y, so that when we substitute the values in the place of x, LHS and RHS should be equal. Okay na? X 4 are 3 4s are 12 plus 2 into 1 2, 12 plus 2 14. Is 14 equal to 6? Loik? Is 14 is equal to 6? Your solution is for the previous one. X plus 2y is equal to 6. That is right. Now, children, how to find out the solutions? How to find out the solutions for equations of like this? Yeah. I tell you, step 1. Keep y in the place of LHS only and try to send x values to that side. This is step 1. Keep y in the LHS part and try to send x part to the RHS. Okay, sorry, 3x. Now, from this we can write y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. Y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. Okay. Now it becomes easy, children. Now we need to give values for x. We need to give values for x. Give values for x and simplify. You will get y value. Okay na? Now I am giving 0 for x. Aithe whenever you are giving values for x, kindly be cautious that when you simplify everything over here, when you simplify the numerator, it should be divided with 2. It should be divided with 2. Such values you have to give for x. Okay na? Such values you have to give for x when you simplify the numerator. So give 0 for x. So y is equal to 6 minus 3 into 0 by 2. 3 into 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 by 2, which is 3. So if x is 0, y is 3. So 0 comma 3 is a solution. 0 comma 3 is a solution. Understand? Now, x, I am giving 2. What happens if you see 1? I am giving 1 in the place of x, let it be. I am keeping 1 in the place of x. Okay. Y is equal to 6 minus 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 by 2. So the solution is 1 comma 3 by 2. That's all. You can put any value for x. You can put any value for x. You will get y value. So x comma y is a solution. Any value you can put. Now, I am keeping x is equal to negative 2, let it be. X is equal to negative 2. Even you can put negative values also. Negative 2. So y is equal to 6 minus 3 into negative 2 by 2. 6 minus 3 into negative 2 by 2. Now simplify this. Negative 3 into negative 2, positive 6. Positive 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. 12 by 2, 6. So negative 2 comma 6 is another solution. Negative 2 comma 6 is another solution. Okay. Now, x is 4. Let it be. X is 4. Then y is equal to 6 minus 3 into 4 by 2. 6 minus 3 into 4 by 2. 3 4s are 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. So 4 comma minus 3 is another solution. Yeah, no problem, no problem. See, you can keep the solutions in the fractions itself. Don't try to divide them. Okay, na? Keep the solutions in the fractions itself. 3 by 2 I kept like that only, na? Yeah. So, we can give different values for x. We can give different values for x. And we can get different values for y also. So, x comma y is a solution. So, here we got total 4 solutions. 0 comma 3. 1 comma 3 by 2. Minus 2 comma 6. 4 comma minus 3. They are the solutions. Okay, they are the solutions. 8 comma negative 9. Let it be. If x is 8, then y is 6 minus 3 into 8 by 2. So 6 minus 24. 6 minus 24 minus 18, which is minus 9. So 8 comma minus 9 is another solution. 8 comma minus 9 is another solution. So like that, we can find out infinite number of solutions for a given a linear equation in 2 variables. For any given linear equation in 2 variables. Okay, children? Did you understand? I am explaining it now. Whenever an equation is given to you, try to keep y value and LHS and set x to RHS. So 2y is equal to 6 minus 3x. Then y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. Now, give values for x. Then you will get values for y. Give different values for x, any value. I am giving only integers. If you want, you can give fractions also. కానీ ఆ సాహసం ఎవరు చేరుకుంటా ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చే సాహసం ఎవరు చేస్తాడు సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ రావు కదా మనకి గివ్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ ఫర్ x you can find out value for y then x comma y is a solution here we got total 5 solutions we can find out infinite number of solutions yes that's what I am saying Vaishali you can give any value for y for x any value for x for every value of x you will find out another value for y x comma y is a solution for every x there is a y for every x there is a y so that x comma y becomes a solution did you understand Vaishali for every x there is a y for every x there is a y for every problem there is a solution is that right for every problem there is a solution in the same way for every x there is a y then x comma y becomes a solution for the given equation now what I'll do I'll give an equation to you I'll give you an equation find out solutions and write your solutions everyone okay send your solutions in the chat box okay children yeah x plus 3y is equal to 9 this is the equation now send your solutions in the chat box here you can give 3y is equal to 9 minus x y is equal to 9 minus x by 3 now you can give different values for y for x for every x there is a solution 5 comma 4 by 3 yes right 0 comma 3 right 0 comma 3 correct 0 comma 3 correct everyone is giving 0 comma 3 only 3 comma no 3 comma 1 is wrong x 9 y 0 right 9 comma 0 right 3 comma 2 yeah 3 comma 2 correct y 0 comma 3 everyone is giving like that 0 comma 3 1 comma 8 by 3 correct keep x 6 comma 1 correct 1 comma 10 by 3 wrong 1 comma 8 by 3 right Tanmay Hilawat 9 comma 0 right 0 comma 7 by 3 wrong 0 comma 3 correct how it be 7 by 3 x 8 and 1 by 3 8 1 by 3 right x 3 comma 0 wrong Akila Tamina wrong x 3 pedite 2 vastundi keep x 3 here 9 minus 3 6 6 by 3 2 Akila Tamina, your answer wrong. 7 by 3 and 2, what is ration? 6 comma 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 by 3, 1. 6,1 is correct. బొర్ర తక్కువ సన్నాసి అంత క్లియర్గా ఉంటే నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ ఎవరు పెట్టట్లేదు. కీప్ -1, x -1, keep x -1, 9 minus -1. Yeah, 27 comma -6 right. 4 comma 5/3 right. -7. 9 minus -7 16/3 అవుతుంది. That's wrong. That's wrong. Lohit Babu right. 9 minus -7 that is 16/3. -7 comma 16/3 not 8. Okay, children, right? Yeah, tomorrow everyone sit along with your graph sheets. Each student should sit with a graph paper. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to do graph. So -3 comma 4, right? Sorry, yes, right? -3 comma 4, right? So everyone sit with a graph paper. 3 graph papers, at least 3 graph papers. Everyone should sit with graph papers, 3 graph papers tomorrow, sharp 8 p.m. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.